Step into the new year with the right mindset and get ready for your financial freedom. We've got 6 side hustles that can help you earn an easy $5,000 per month without an initial investment. That's right. These techniques will literally cost you $0 to start. Before we reveal these side hustles, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons. It will also cost you literally $0 to do that, but you'll get the latest in how to earn easy money online. Watch until the end to discover which amazing side hustle is considered a game changer for 2023. You'll never have to worry about money again because the following side hustles can truly put you on the path to financial security. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. If you're the type who loves creating online content, this is your sign to start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to monetize a channel. There's affiliate marketing, there's brand sponsorship, and you can also sell your own merch. But the most popular is perhaps through YouTube's partner program. Here, YouTube will put ads on your videos and you earn commissions every time a person watches these ads. While it may take time for your income to start rolling in via your YouTube channel, meaning you're not likely to see the results of your work instantly, you're actually setting up an income-generating stream that's going to be passive and likely on autopilot in the future. When you become eligible for the program, your videos, including the ones you posted in the past, will have ads on them, and you will earn through them too. As you continue posting more videos regularly, what you are actually doing is adding one income stream on top of one another. With YouTube channels, it's definitely easy to hit your 5K per month target, and it's possible to scale all the way up. All you just need to do is to start. Number 2. Discord moderator. This side hustle is easy and doesn't require deep technical knowledge. You can be a Discord moderator by cleaning and managing a community. You can do simple things like making sure there's no junk in the Discord, even as simple as sending good morning messages to the members and maintaining the good vibes in the community, or posting questions to make the community more alive and engaging. It's fairly easy to do. You just need to speak or write good English. But even if you don't, there are non-English Discords available. You can apply as a moderator to an Italian, Japanese, German, or French Discord. Expect to earn around $1,500 to $3,000 a month doing this. That's below the 5K target. But how about managing more than one? You'll be doing light work anyway, so moderating 2 or 3 Discords in your own free time can be quite simple. You'll easily earn 5K per month. Number 3. Amazon Influencer Program. Do you have lots of followers in your social media? Then let's put that to good use. With the Amazon Influencer Program, you will earn a commission with every qualifying purchase. What you need to do is create online content related to the product, and Amazon will put that up in the product page. For example, in this page, a customer will normally look for the photos. You can see that there are videos here that a customer can watch before making a purchase. This last video is not made by the company. It's made by an Amazon influencer. This is the name of the influencer, and here it says, earns commissions. If a customer watches this video and then decides to purchase it, then that influencer will earn a commission. That influencer will get paid every time someone watches his video and buys the product. If you're someone who already has thousands of followers in your social media, then you're already qualified for the program. It will also be easy for you to make videos because you're already used to it. Just create a short video about a product in a few minutes, upload it to the Amazon product page, and then you'll basically be waiting until someone watches your video and buys the product to earn you commissions. Do this a few times each week, and your videos will be featured in many product pages. Your commissions can increase tenfold or even 100 times, and you'll be earning $5,000 or more each month quickly. It's that easy. Number 4. Just Answer. Are you someone with expertise in something? Then put your expertise to good use by earning extra money from JustAnswer.com. In this website, you can ask the professionals any questions. For example, what if there's something medical related that's bothering you, and you just have a quick question that needs to be answered so you can just stop worrying about it? Instead of scheduling an appointment with your doctor, you can simply use Just Answer. You don't have to wait until your appointment day or drive over to the doctor's clinic. With Just Answer, you will talk to a doctor instantly. In just 5 to 10 minutes, you will get your answer, and the doctor gets paid. That's how JustAnswer.com works. There are all sorts of topics and fields available here for anyone who has a quick question. A quick Google search reveals that people are earning between $2,000 to $7,000 per month on average through JustAnswer.com. And that could be you doing it on your own spare time. That's the best thing about it. You can choose your hours. You can hop on a call anytime you're available. You'll only be answering questions that you already know about since it's your expertise. You can easily turn this into a side hustle that earns you at least $5,000 per month. Number 5. Mobile Notary Public. In this side hustle, you will meet with clients in person. These clients need someone to witness them signing all the legal documents. And you'll also sign saying that you did see them signing the documents. This will take some training, and it requires certification. But once you get certified, you can basically pick your own hours depending on when you are available. You can work around your schedule because it's flexible. On average, a mobile notary public earns a little over $5,000 per month. It's an easy way to earn extra $5K per month. Finally, we're revealing the side hustle that's considered a game changer for 2023, and it's number 6, video editing for shorts. If you have a passion for video and an eye for editing, this might be the perfect side hustle for you. TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are blowing up in popularity. That's because most people are very busy these days, so they most likely don't have enough time to watch longer videos anymore. That's why it's also predicted that the trend is for short video content to flourish. And many content creators are starting to switch over to attention-grabbing short clips. Even YouTube's algorithm is going the same route, and now they're promoting YouTube Shorts like crazy. Here you'll see that there are 480 million videos in 25 million channels. That's a lot. Shorts are quick and they can easily rake in millions of views in just a few weeks. Also, YouTube has changed its partnership program eligibility. Before, you would need at least 1,000 subs to your channel and 4,000 valid public watch hours, and that is already difficult to achieve. But starting this year, YouTube introduced another form of monetization scheme through Shorts. It's no longer mandatory to have 4,000 watch hours because now you can have 10 million valid public short views and you'll already be eligible. What this means is that you can expect a lot of YouTube channels to switch to short content. What's more, even those already monetizing their channels can start posting shorts too. It will be easier for them to monetize through shorts because they already have a huge following. That's another income stream added to their channel, and many of them would require video editors to do the work for them. This is the perfect time to put your editing skills to good use. Stay tuned because we will soon be releasing an in-depth video focusing on how you can succeed as a video editor for shorts. We will guide you step by step, such as how to start getting clients and many more tips. Those are the 6 easiest side hustles that can jumpstart your new year and potentially lead you to a path of financial freedom. Which side hustle was your favorite? Sound off in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Feel free to smash the like button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to discover more ways to earn easy money online. See you in our next video.